Okay, welcome back. We have 5 more packs. So let's open another 2 today. So far, I don't know. I feel the box is a little dry as we have only gotten a Master Ball, a Pokeball, and an Ace Spec. We have got a standard EX, one we were chasing, which was really cool, but no gold, no SAR. So let's see if we can pick up and get more heat or more Pokeballs. That would be cool. Groudon. Ooh, some sort of bird. Hey, an EX. Check that out. And, oh, that would have been our hit. One more pack to go. These actually open a lot easier than the English ones, in my opinion. Crazy. Okay. Some sort of weird tadpole thing. Oops, there's a couple of energies. Ooh, hello. He's about to wreck some stuff. Oops. Hey, look at that. Oh, no. Still no hit. That's terrible. Okay, check you in the next one.